Hi, my name is Mike from Orderful, and today we're going to talk about sending your first trade request. This is the first step in trading EDI, and it can seem overwhelming, but Orderful has made it easy for anyone to do. This will take no more than 1 minute, and you will have to collect some information from your partner upfront. Let's jump into it. First, let's talk about what a trade request is. To put it simply, it's a request to begin trading with your partner. We've built an elegant way for you to trade EDI details with your partner. Without this, your partner will not know who you are. When you first log into Orderful, in the left-hand nav, you'll see, under Partnerships, Trade Requests. Click on it. Your trade requests will be empty because you have no pending trade requests open. So let's create a new one. This is the trade request form. We're going to fill it out in order to submit our trade request with our partner. In the dropdown, on selecting your EDI account, you'll see one option that we've actually created for you on your behalf when we set up your Orderful account. You'll need to identify who at your company is responsible for EDI and add their email below. A follower, which is what you will most likely select, is someone who is trading with a partner that has set their own guidelines for trade. You can think of these as big retailers or brands. Once you've identified yourself as a follower, we're going to enter information about the entity that we're trading with. For this example, we're going to use Home Depot. As soon as I begin typing Home Depot, I'll see other options that have been created in the network in the past. It's really important that you confirm with your buyer at Home Depot or retailer that their ISID matches what you've selected in this dropdown. Once I select Home Depot's corresponding EDI account, I'll see that the ISID qualifier and the ISID for Home Depot has been pre-filled for me. Once again, confirm these details with those that were sent to you via email. Enter your trade partner's contact email, submit, and you're done. Congratulations. Today, we sent our first trade request, but we're not done. In the next video, we're going to talk about certified versus uncertified partners in Orderful's network. Thanks.